presented already. I created my account, which I've had for many years now. You have to actually get a API key for Gemini, and I'll show how that works too. And then basically for the application to be able to connect to Gemini, that's more towards the end of the application building here. We just need to set that key as a environment variable. So this is all kind of done before, behind the scenes, and this is what we're building. So kind of like it's not going to look like Gemini when you connect. A lot less bells and whistle, and like it's not going to be as pretty, but it will be a functional. The screen keeps going on and on, but it will be a functional chatbot connected to an LLM that you can potentially ask any questions that you would to ChatGPT, Gemini, and so on. All right, so let's see. Oh, and some of the images here, you can see this little weird text at the bottom. Some of the images they were actually generated by Gemini, so just as a little sharing about for you guys. So this is how we're going to start. Prompt 1, generate a simple Python web server, hello world, using Flask. So you need to know a little bit of what you're trying to build. So I'm specifically mentioning Python as a language. Flask is a web server framework or web framework that you can use with Python to build a web server. And now this is the magical moment of the day. And just do a little click here, and boom, that's the highlight of the presentation. A little spinning star. Then this is what you should see in Gemini. So this is where I start going back and forth between the presentation and Gemini. And I'll be using here AI Studio. Just make it a little bit bigger. So let's try exactly that prompt. And this is where the cooking show element kind of comes to fruition. But I will run the prompt here just to show you kind of what it spits out. Right? So I'll just focus on the code for now. It's nice because it also gives you a whole explanation at the bottom, how you need to run the application, what you need to do to actually use that. But this is what it is. It's there's no more to the application